Bonjour! Bonjour!
No. Time for bladder check.
Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello! Hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch The Expanse Season 2, Episode 6. I'm not sure that I accept the fact that Miller is dead. Really, I had days to think about it. I edited also the video for episode 4 and 5. And yes, I'm really not sure that I'm accepting the fact that he's dead. I really have like 1% of my mind who is trying to convince the 99% that yes, he can survive. Yes. An asteroid just, he was on it, but yes, he can survive because of the protomolecule, because of Julie, because of I don't know, but really I know that I have this 1% of me who is really trying to negotiate with the 99% of me who is sad that Miller is dead. Like I said, it was days ago that I watched the episode 5, but still I'm still trying to negotiate. So during the review of the last video, if you don't see it, I'm gonna put a link. You can see really the evolution that I made. Like I really took the stage of grief, I think you say it like that, and I'm stuck with negotiation. In fact, I think I'm gonna be blocked in that stage as long as I don't watch another episode, you know, as long as I'm not gonna see them talking about the fact that Miller is dead, as long as I'm not gonna see the consequences of that explosion. So it's really like I almost don't want to watch this episode. I don't want to see what is next because I don't want to lose any hope about that. Yes. So yes, I edited the reaction videos for episode 3, 4 and 5 yesterday. Let's say it, I cried during the episodes, I cried after the episodes, I cried during the reviews, and I cried also during the editing. Like to see myself being so sad and to see Miller dying again. And I had hope, really, at the end of the episode 4, I said that, okay, Miller is still alive, Miller is not dead, I'm fine. We lost him just on the next episode. Today I'm gonna try to watch the episode 6 and 7. I'm trying to have some videos in advance because I'm going to a music festival for 5 or 6 days, so I'm not gonna be able to have my computer to post the reaction videos. I'm gonna try to respond to all of you on the comments, and I'm gonna try to be there for you when the videos are gonna be out, but I'm not gonna be able to be as present as I can be usually. So sorry for that in advance, but you see, I'm really working for you to be able to give you videos about The Expanse even if I'm not in my place. So yes, you can see I'm doing my homework for you, really, to feed you with videos about The Expanse. Oh, and I really want to thank you about your comments of my videos. I think it was episode 2 of the season 2. I talked to you about some... I don't know how to name that. Some dislikes that bothered me for some hours. I want to reassure you, I'm not gonna stop those reaction videos, and I didn't think about those dislikes for days or something like that. Really, it bothered me, and I just saw them just before I was filming, so I wanted to tell you about it. But really, if I can reassure you, I'm okay, I'm fine, I'm not depressed because of those dislikes. That's life, and I know that I can't please everyone, and that's okay. YouTube is vast enough for you. You can find someone who is really entertaining you. I don't know if we can say that. So yes, really, I wanted to reassure you. I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna continue to watch this show, and I'm gonna continue to make reaction videos about it. And it's so nice to discuss with you on the comments about this show. So really, you are supporting, and you are also a reason for me to watch this show and to make reaction videos. I like this show. No, I love this show, but I cried for it. I love this show, I love those characters, I love the storylines, I love the realization of this show. Really, it's... Each time I'm amazed by this show, by the realization of this show, the production, the angles of the camera, the music of this show. Really, I'm all in this show, and I'm gonna continue to watch it because I'm all in, but also because really I love to discuss with you about this show in the comments, so you are also a reason for me to continue it. Oh! I want to be prepared, just in case. I cried during episode 4, I cried during episode 5. If I'm crying during this one, I want to be prepared this time, okay? Let's go for episode 6. Oh, and one of you talked to me about the sound. You think that the sound is not good. I bought a new microphone for this camera, but I don't have it yet, so sorry, but for episode 6 and 7 you're gonna keep that level of sound, but it's gonna improve.
We're ready to govern ourselves and start a new nation of our own.
Yes, flashback! You know that I love flashback because I love to have context about this world, about what happened.
My name's Solomon Epstein. And I changed everything.
Humility?
Eros and Auntie was closest to Eros than anyone. They might have more insight.
Nurse and James Holden have gone silent, along with Red Johnson and the Martian government. So we just have to be insightful on our own.
That's not great. I mean, for the peace between planets, between entities, that's not great.
If there's anything left of Eros down there, we'll find it. We'll be on our
The proto-molecule is gonna be
Expect regular
there.
updates from you personally. 150 missiles we launched.
So far, sir, we've confirmed aboard on 121 missiles.
How are
So I
you?
don't know if you've heard or if you're even going to get this. The human monitor
speaking with your
messages. So
mom.
there's some things I can't talk about. The people on this ship, my friends, they helped avert a catastrophe. Helped save Earth. I hope you get to meet them someday. One in particular.
No.
Don't want to destroy our sample.
Yeah.
I forgot that they have a sample. Please destroy it, please.
Destroy it too, you know.
Yes.
They told me
Do
you
it.
trusted us to do the right thing. I think part of him never left that terrible little room over
Yes.
Chile.
I think also I said it. I'm not
together,
Not prepared.
sleeping together.
I knew it.
Oh, you're taking it right, Amos. I'm so proud of you. I love you.
That's because I like you, brother. It was a pun. I know.
I said it. That they are the mom and dad of those two kids.
Oh no. She's a good person. I like her, but she's like a sister to me. Right? I mean, don't get me wrong. I do.
Not, I'm not sure of that.
I'm glad we had this talk.
30 of them didn't get that self-destruct message. They just kept on going.
Yes, because Tycho stopped them.
All that was bad enough. But it wasn't the worst part.
What was the
The
worst
most
part?
dangerous thing about being a high G burn is that if it goes on too long, it'll kill you.
Okay.
So what if this bioweapon isn't a bioweapon after all? What if it is responsible in some way we can't yet fully understand for Eros movement? I believe Eros was in fact
Come on.
an entirely new
Sing more about that.
something from somewhere else, somewhere beyond the reach
Thank
of
you.
our species. I believe
Chris Wayne, come on, understand it.
contact with alien life.
For what to do if an advanced alien species comes calling. It's 3 pages long, and it begins with step 1. Find God.
Ah,
I need to get to Venus.
he's gonna die?
With his final words, he said to me, "You are the future, Diogo. You must continue the fight for the belt.
Diego.
Must live."
Okay, I'm accepting the fact that Nino is dead.
The missiles could be retargeted and sent right back at the inners.
They
Or
have
the
them.
system for that matter.
They have it.
This doesn't seem to be bothering you. Why is that? Because I've got the missiles.
We could use some help removing the countermeasures.
She's not gonna help you with that.
Nothing. Sometimes that's the best plan of action. We need to tell them everything we know about it. That would cause system-wide panic.
Yes, but that's the truth.
We need to keep
And
this
together, knowing the
It's
truth,
changed everything.
you can do good
People are
things.
so scared.
I had a theory about that, and I'm gonna keep it for the review. Hey, Mud, stop!
Earth, Mars, the Belt, the OPA. It's all bullshit. Shouldn't be any teams.
I said it.
It's a beautiful dream, son. And I hope I'm around to see it come true.
No last chance.
What are you doing, you now?
I think we should let people know about Miller and Julie Mel. Not all the details. Nothing about the protomolecule, just about them. A Belter. And an Earther who was an OPA member that sacrificed themselves to save the cradle of humanity. I want people to know about Miller. He was a good man.
He was a pain in the ass, suicidal ex-cop. Who got the job done.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh no, him.
We can give our sample to Mars.
What?
Think about it. They're the only players in this whole goddamn game that didn't do any of the bad stuff.
Didn't Phoebe?
I don't know what the hell you're talking about as usual. Anyways, Mars.
Please,
is not
guys, don't fight.
If anyone can think of something good to do with that shit, it's them. The
You-
only way to prevent
yes.
that is to destroy it.
Yes.
All of it. While
Yes.
we still can.
Dresden wasn't
You
working
can't
alone. Did you seriously believe we've
give
got the only remaining sample in
that
the
thing
system?
to anyone.
Right.
Don't do anything stupid, Naomi, please. Tell me that the sample is really on that thing.
Yeah. It's done.
No, girl, I know you. No.
My drive would give us the edge we needed to finally break free from Earth and build a new world for ourselves. wonderful and terrible thing about technology.
I know what the message is right there, but someone else just sacrificed himself.
He has 2 sons, another daughter that he adores.
Oh!
To reach him.
Did we know
If
that?
they can help him
I didn't know.
turn himself in.
And please let them know that if they can't, I will rain hellfire down on them all. Cripple their business. And I have the power to do it, because I am the fucking hero who helped save Mother Earth from the cataclysm that you, Pierre Mao, unleashed. All of them, pariahs, outlaws, haunted and on the run for the rest of their days until we find them and nail each and every last one to the wall.
That's a powerful
Make
woman.
sure you tell them that.
Yes. I'm sorry that I doubted of her at the beginning of the last season. I'm sorry.
You won't say anything anymore. It's just a bunch of rock. That is not funny. It makes me smile every time I walk past it. That's because you are an ignorant asshole. 17 monsters
Don't
died in
fight.
that attack. The way I see it, there's only 3 kinds of people in this world. Bad ones you follow, and ones you need to protect. But so I'm the one you
I
protect.
said that he was a man like that. You saw me said it.
People
You are a
go
witness
to
of it.
pieces in order to protect you. I'm a big boy, Amos.
A lot of missiles countermeasures trickle backup power from the guiding systems.
You're helping them?
I wasn't expecting your help.
Yes? Me
Belters
neither.
have to help each other. No one else will.
6 Marines. About 2.3 clicks out on foot closing fast. They appear to be charging us.
No, 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 no. Why? Who? No. 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 She's not dead. Don't tell me that. They are all dead. Open your eyes. Thank you. You're gonna be captured. That's an alien form. They are here. They are here and they captured her. Oh, I'm speechless. Okay, so that alien form thing, livings, they are here now. They are not just proto-molecule anymore. They are really there. They are really active. Again, a lot of things happen during this episode, so I'm gonna try to think about each character to really try to understand all of what happened. Naomi, what did you do with that sample? I think that she kept that she didn't destroy it. Naomi, why did you do that? Maybe it's a good thing, because now that they are really here, maybe you can use it against them. I'm not sure that I want anyone to use that thing, because to control it, it's gonna be hard, but the one who is gonna be able to control it, that one is gonna have so much power in his or her hands. I'm not sure it's a good thing, so Alden talked with Fred Johnson, and obviously is not okay with the fact that Fred Johnson stole those missiles. I'm not okay with that neither, because for the peace in this world, in this space, it's not great. When Earth is gonna know that, it's gonna be, yes, not great. Amos and Alex argued. I'm not happy about that because I love the two of them, but they are really acting like they are the children of Naomi and Holden. That was nice, the scene when Holden and Naomi said to them that they are a couple, they are together. I'm glad that Amos took it in the good way. I'm not sure that he really considered Naomi as a sister, but okay. Why not? But yes, the two of them arguing, I don't like that. But I understand the two of them, you know. They have to find a place where they are okay together with them having different points of view, you know. Chris Wren, her speech, that was nice. Her threat to the Mouse family, that was nice. I still think that, okay, that was nice for her to threaten them, but I'm not sure that Mr. Mao is the kind of guy that you can threaten just like that. I think that Erin Wright being the messenger of that threaten, that's not good for him. I said it during my last reaction video. I think that Erin Wright is gonna be killed at some point because of Mr. Mao. So Miller is really dead. That's it. I accepted that. I'm not happy about that, but I accepted it. Oh, I said to you during the episode that I had to talk to you about one of my theories. If you are reading the comments of each video, you already know what I'm gonna say, what this theory is about. I'm gonna make a comparison between Game of Thrones and The Expanse. I'm sorry if it's shocking for you, but I'm gonna explain it. During the season 8, I said it from the beginning. For me, Game of Thrones was okay, a story about them fighting with the White Walkers, but it was also for me the principal story about this show was about the fight for the power. You know, Game of Thrones. The main story was about people fighting for the power, fighting for having the power because of their blood, because of many reasons. And for me, the main story about that was, at the end, no one had to have the throne. For me, really, the story was about fighting for having the throne, so the answer about that was no one on the throne. And that was the answer at the end of the season 8. And for me, the main story, the principal story about this show and the books about The Expanse, it's almost the same, you know? They are all fighting for having the power. Earth and Mars want to fight together. The Belters, the poor Belters that are used by the two of them. The OPA wants to fight with Mars and Earth to defend the Belters. You know, they all want to fight together because they all want the power in some way. And for me, the answer of that is gonna be also no one has to have the power at the end, you can share it. And the threat of the aliens is like the threat of the White Walkers in Game of Thrones, really, because they are gonna be forced to unite, to work together, to fight the aliens, that alien living thing. They're gonna see that they can work together, and after fighting against that thing, they're not gonna be able to fight together anymore, you know? So yes, I have this theory about that show, about the books. For me, the main story is about that. For now, they want to make a war together, but a big threat is gonna come and attack them, so they're gonna be forced to unite, and when that threat is gonna be away, they're gonna see that they can't fight together anymore, they're gonna work together. Maybe I'm wrong, and maybe the books and the episode that are already out and that I didn't see are gonna prove me that I'm wrong, but for now I have this theory about the experts. Okay, so I'm gonna watch another episode right now. It's gonna be in another day for you and in just 10 minutes for me. So it's all for you for today and it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye!
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Hey.